The Chicken House trademark was registered in 2004 by the San Limited Liability Company, which remains the legal owner of the trademark. The first Chicken House fast food franchise opened in Tver, Russia at 63 Kominterna Street and continues to operate as Chicken House's flagship location. The initial idea of the Chicken House brand, along with its development and realization, is the product of Kayalim Muhab, the current director of the San company. Additionally, prior to opening the first restaurant, the Chicken House logo and color scheme were designed. The holding company San registered the Chicken House logo as an official trademark in 2004 in Russia and in the summer of 2014 on the territory of the European Union. The logo and color scheme decorate company packaging, napkins, cups, personnel uniforms, and souvenirs. Additionally, a costume for the Chicken House mascot has been created. The mascot entertains children and adults in the restaurant's dining areas and in the children's playpens. The children's playpens, where dining parents can leave their children, are a distinguishing feature of Chicken House, which separates the franchise from other fast food restaurants. For our youngest guests, we also play animated programs. A well-designed menu contains everything necessary for a healthy diet and adequate nutrition. The company San pays special attention to ingredient selection, choosing only natural and quality products for its dishes. As one would expect, the foundational ingredient in nearly all of Chicken House's dishes is chicken, which is marinated according to our secret recipe and fried in specialized high-tech equipment. Dishes are prepared practically right in front of the customer, and strict adherence to the highest standards of customer service and satisfaction has become one of the chief priorities at Chicken House. A rich menu assortment lets you find dishes for any taste or appetite, such as chicken fillet burgers, beef patty burgers, breaded dishes, combo meals, wraps, kebabs, fries, breakfasts, lunch specials, kids' chicken mixes, desserts, cold and hot beverages, and soups and salads. Alcohol is entirely absent from the menu. All suppliers of Chicken House franchises must undergo a careful selection process and must strictly adhere to supply chain standards. The San company advises all franchisees to work only with those suppliers who satisfy all the conditions necessary for the provision of quality goods. All our major partners are under continual review and supervision by San overseers. Together, with the help of Coca-Cola HBC Eurasia, we've developed a design for fountain beverage cups. The Dutch company Lam Weston, one of the leading firms in frozen potato products, is Chicken House's exclusive supplier of potato products. All foodstuffs are delivered in specialized trucks, which allow for temperature control during all stages of transportation. All processes related to food storage and production are standardized and comply with all ecological and sanitary recommendations. Dishes are cooked on equipment with continuous electronic control of cooking time and temperature. All franchisees undergo a monthly review to ensure quality and safety compliance. Chicken Auto is our drive-through service. This service lets our guests drive right up to the restaurant, providing the opportunity to serve more customers. Thanks to Chicken Auto, customers can place their order and enjoy some delicious food without leaving their car. The San company has established its own training center, a corporate university, which provides training for personnel from different levels, from our waiting staff to management. The San Company offers franchising opportunities for those interested in the Chicken House brand. With our franchise, franchisees receive support in the selection and construction of commercial spaces, in the drawing up of permits and other regulatory documentation, and in technological aspects of the project, such as workplace separation, equipment placement, and instructional material. Discounts from leading suppliers and contractors. A training course in basic skills for managing a fast food restaurant. Assistance in the hiring process. A training course for personnel at our corporate university, including the opportunity to regularly improve employee qualifications, advertising materials, branded paper and packaging products, and personnel uniforms. Computer software, informational support for the entirety of the franchise period, including consultations in menu optimization and its adaptations to regional demand, the establishment of mechanisms for solving operational tasks, improving your enterprise's profitability, and more. The site criteria for setting up a Chicken House fast food restaurant are a building area of 330 meters squared, an electrical power capacity of 80 to 100 kilowatts, a ground floor with a glass-enclosed dining hall, an available car park, and proximity to potential customers. You can learn about the expenditure distribution necessary for opening a Chicken House fast food restaurant from the information shown on the screen. Our changed geography is expanding every year. We are currently present in 7 towns of the Russian Federation, where we have a total of 16 locations. The company San is oriented towards a wide audience, which includes teenagers, entrepreneurs, office workers, married couples, families with children, and guests of your city. All of them are energetic people living in the dynamic rhythm of a modern city. If you want to know more about Chicken House, you can always contact us by phone at the number shown on the screen, write us an email, or leave an application on our website in the franchising section. We're always glad to answer your questions.